Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today I'm going to share a South Indian traditional tomato chutney. This chutney can be served with any breakfast like idli, dosa, vada, uttapam and so on. There are numerous ways to prepare this chutney. Let's see how I prepare. Take a big onion, peel off the skin, roughly chop the onion. Take 4 tomatoes, wash them thoroughly with water and dry them. Now, roughly chop them and keep them aside. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 garlic pods, 3 dry red chilies. Now saute them in the oil. Next add the chopped tomatoes. Saute them until they turn translucent. Next add the chopped tomatoes. You can also add few green chilies to this chutney to increase the spice level. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now fry the tomatoes until they turn soft. You can see in the video the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Right before switching off the flame, add 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp and handful of coriander leaves along with its stems. Now mix everything once. Keep this aside and allow it to cool down. Once it is cooled down, take this into a mixer jar. Make sure the mixture is completely cooled down before transferring it to the mixer jar. Now blend this into a smooth paste without adding any water to it. You can see the paste here. Now for tempering, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves. Now allow them to splutter. Transfer this tempering onto the prepared tomato paste. That's it. Our tomato chutney is ready to serve. This chutney is little bit spicy, tangy and full of flavors. You can also prepare this ahead and store this in the fridge for 2 days. Just add the tempering before serving and you will enjoy a delicious tomato chutney. You can also add some peppercorns, ginger also to this recipe. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turns. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!